In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from your Yahoo account. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few simple tips so your exported file is ready for whatever you want to do next. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and going to mail.yahoo.com. Sign into your Yahoo Mail account like you normally would. Once your inbox loads, you're in the right place to access the contacts area. Next, open your contacts. Look for the contacts icon in Yahoo Mail. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the top right or in the left panel. It often looks like a small address book or person silhouette. Click it to open the full contacts view. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the sidebar or maximize the browser to see it. With your contacts visible, find the More Options control. This is typically located at the top of the contacts list and may appear as 3 dots, or it might be labeled Actions. Click that to open a drop-down menu, and choose Export. This tells Yahoo you want to create a downloadable file containing your contacts. You'll be asked to choose an export format. Select the one that matches how you plan to use the file. CSV is a great all-purpose choice and works well with spreadsheets like Excel and Google Sheets, and many contact import tools accept it. vCard, also known as VCF, is commonly used by contact applications, including Apple Contacts and various mobile and desktop contact managers. If you're not sure, CSV is usually a safe default. After choosing the format, confirm by clicking Export or Export Now. Yahoo will prepare your file and your browser will begin downloading it. By default, most browsers save to the Downloads folder on your computer. If your browser asks where to save, pick a location you'll remember. It's a good idea to keep the file somewhere secure, especially if it includes personal details like addresses and notes. If the download doesn't start, check your browser's download or pop-up settings and allow downloads from Yahoo Mail. Also, make sure you actually have contacts in your account. If the list is empty, there won't be anything to export. That's it. You've successfully exported your Yahoo Contacts and now have a backup you can open in a spreadsheet, store safely, or import into another service. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you export your contacts with confidence.